we're running gas lines and hoping to unbox our furnace and all that fun stuff. So we don't freeze to death this winter or spend a bazillion dollars on pellets like last year. That was not fun. We still need to do strapping on the lines. But we poked a hole in the side of our house. So that was fun.
So, they already came, ran our gas line to the house at a meter base. We just punched a hole out to the meter base. And we've got a few pieces of pipe, a few pieces of gas line in to where it's going to sit. And now I got to run my vertical drop down to the furnace. And I gotta strap the pipe up. It's not taking long. I'm just getting worn out fast.
We're both disabled, so fun! We got defective brains, so it takes us a little while to do things.
It didn't. I used to be able to do all kinds of things. Now I'm broken. One day, I'm getting better. Since the treatment, I feel better.
Yeah.
I'm good enough to do something.
You're getting better. Slowly.
I know. I'm just impatient.
You're not known for your patience.
I want it now. It's my money.
J.G. Wentworth.
It's my money.
Not sponsored.
I want it now. Alright, we're doing good. One more piece of pipe and then that's it. And then we gotta strap it.
That's not as filthy as it sounds.
Who knows?